Today's topic for discussion is description of a flowering plant and name of plant. Today's plant for description is Dalbergia sisso. It is the member of family Fabaceae. It is a small sized tree. Let us see all the taxonomic details of the plant. Distribution. It is a very common tree in North India. Even in Maharashtra, this tree is very common. Habit and habitat. It is a medium-sized tree. It is a deciduous tree. Next. This is the twig of Dalbergia sisso, and this is the leaf of Dalbergia sisso. Leaf is pinnately compound leaf. There are 3 leaflets are present. Shape of leaflet is orbiculate. Color is whitish green. Petiole is present. Petiole, it is a stalk-like structure. When it is present, then the leaf is described as petiolate. And phyllotaxy, that means arrangement of the leaves. Arrangement of the leaflets is alternate. Margin of the leaflet is entire. Base of leaflet is wide. Apex is pointed, acuminate. Stipule is absent. Hence the leaf is described as exstipulate. Texture of the leaf is leathery. Venation is reticulate. Next, this is the back side of the leaf. And this is flowering twig of Dalbergia sisso. This is inflorescence of Dalbergia sisso, and inflorescence is axillary panicle type of inflorescence occurs in Dalbergia sisso. And this is the flower of Dalbergia sisso. Bract is present and the flower is described as bractate. A bract is small, velvet, hairy, and that fell off in early stage. Pedicel, it is a stalk is present to the flower. The stalk-like structure of flower is known as pedicel, and when the pedicel is present, the flower is described as pedicellate in taxonomic language. And symmetry of the flower is actinomorphic. Sexuality of the flower, in flower, androecium as well as gynoecium both are present, hence the flower is bisexual. Position of ovary, it is superior. Because all the floral units, they are originated from the base of the ovary, hence the position of ovary is superior. Thalamus is absent in Dalbergia sisso flower. Color of the flower is off-white. Next, this is the flower showing petals, just open flower. Next, this is the calyx of Dalbergia sisso. Calyx consists of sepals. Sepal is the unit of calyx. There are 5 units of calyx. There are 5 sepals. Teeth of calyx or the teeth of the sepal, it is subequal and triangular. Type of calyx, it is campanulate. And color of calyx is yellowish green, and calyx lobes are fused at the base, hence it is described as gamosepalous. Estivation is volvate. Next, this is the corolla of Dalbergia sisso. There are 5 petals are present in the corolla, and standard petal is ovate and orbicular with a long claw as shown in the photograph. Wings are oblong. Keel petals are obtuse. And form of corolla is papilionaceous form of corolla. Okay. Color of corolla is pale yellow. Orals are only one oral is present. Orals of petal, there is only one oral of petal is present. And the petals are free. They are not united. They are free. Free petals in taxonomic language is described as polypetalous condition. Okay. Next. This is the photograph shown. Androecium and gynoecium both are present in the flower. Androecium, it is the male part of flower. In gynoecium, it is the female part of the flower. Androecium, that consists of anther and filaments, and gynoecium, that consists of ovary, style and stigma. Okay. Next, androecium. Let us see all the details of androecium. There are 9 or 10 stamens, and all the stamens, they bound together forming a single bundle. Hence it is described as monodelphous condition. But the stamens are free in the upper part. Staminode is absent. Staminode means sterile stamens. Sterile stamens are absent. Filaments are connate at base and filiform. Anther lobe is oblong ovate. Attachment of anther is dorsifixed. Monodiathecous. Anther is diathecous, 2-celled anther, and the anther is extrorse type. And dehiscence of anther. Anthers are monodelphous. Anther tube slit on the upper side only. Next. Gynoecium, it is the female part of the flower. Style is incurved, hairless. Stigma is head-like and small. Ovaries type pillate, oblong, glabrous, subflattened. Position of ovary is superior. Carpel is one monocarpellate ovary. Placentation is marginal. The ovules are attached to the margin of ovary wall. Placentation is marginal. Next, these are the fruits of Dalbergia sisso. Fruit, it is 1 to 4 seeded, thin flat pod, and the seeds are brown subreniform. This is all about the taxonomic characteristics of Dalbergia sisso.